Hello there, everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and we are back again with live forex market analysis. So, our pair for today's video is the British pound versus the Japanese yen. In short, the GBPJPY. So, without any further waste of time, let's get on with the video. Let's analyze to find setups, and remember, no setups, no trade. Let's get it. So for those who are new comers, what I do is I analyze the forex market live. So what I do is I usually start from a 4-hour time frame, switch to line graph to identify my key levels, my 4 major key levels, starting with my highest high, which is this key level, and my lowest low, which is this key level, and the other 2 key levels being my previous lows and highs. So now that I've identified my key levels, my major key levels, switching back to candlesticks, what I see is I'm seeing that the market is in a selling momentum, right? Is in a selling momentum. So yes, the market is in the selling momentum, right? So what does that mean? It means that the overall direction for our setup would be a sell, because we're seeing selling pressure, selling momentum. So another thing that I'm seeing is that the market inside, I would say I'm seeing that the market is inside a bullish trend, and inside the bullish trend comes then the selling momentum, the selling trend, right? And the market faked out, trapped the sellers into thinking that the market is now selling, came back, faked out again, and from there pushed to the upside. So this is what the market did. Market gave us an inverse head and shoulders via a fake out, right? So the market might be buying. So I just wanna get this line out of the way, as long as we know that we are this selling trend is inside a bullish trend, right? So moving on, the next thing I do is to cater for my support and resistance levels. So this is my support zone, right? This is my support zone, and catering for another zone would be this zone here. This would be the zone that I cater for. So digging deeper to the 60-minute time frame or the hourly time frame, what I see is that if I move this trend line out of the way, I'm also seeing a bullish trend inside of the bearish trend that is inside of a bullish trend, if you know what I mean. So catering for this bullish trend inside the bearish trend. This is what I see. So I'm seeing that this is the bullish structure that I see from the market. So this can either be a rising pattern that pushes to the down, that might further push to the downside, since currently it is consolidating in the trend, or the market might push to the downside inside this bullish trend, give us another fake out by either a double bottom or an inverse head and shoulders breakout, retesting the zone, and then from there completing the bearish trend, this large bearish trend, value trend, right? So basically for this pair, these are the setups for buys: breakout, retest, push to the upside, right? Push to the upside, also following the trend. So basically what I'm doing is that in general, for the buy setups, this is the buy setup, and I'm not saying that the market will behave in this way. I'm just, generally predicting for buy setups, right? It can either come in a way of reversal patterns or continuation patterns, as long as the setups, as long as you've catered setups for buys, right? And then for sells, this is the setup for sells should the market push to the downside, and then from there complete this bearish trend. If it breaks to the downside, then it would mean that it's a continuation pattern, right? Might either be a bullish flag, right? Might either be a bullish flag, or whatever you call it, is it bearish or bullish flag, as long as I've catered for the selling opportunities, right? And the take profit would be a touch of the support trend line of the bearish trend, right? And also it would be a breakout of our large of this bullish trend, right? As you can see here, the breakout and retest here, you would sell and possibly either close. Your take profit would be either here. Basically set your take profit, I would say a maximum of 3 if possible, right? And a minimum of 1 take profit, right? So this is the setup for the GBPJPY pair. And without any further waste of time, I'd like to thank you for investing your time into this video. If you enjoyed, hit that like button, and if you want more of these content, kindly subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time I upload a new video, so that you are the first one to see it. So and another thing, if you have any questions, suggestions, leave them on the comments, and I will genuinely and honestly answer your comments. So without any further waste of more time, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.